class. Calculus test time.
Yay!
Woo! One for you. Here you go, Nick. Noah, this one's special just for you.
Wow, thanks, Mrs. Teacher Lady. You saved the best for last.
You bet, Owen.
Wait, I don't know how to do any of this.
What's the problem, Owen?
I haven't learned any calculus all year, and the app test is tomorrow.
Calculus really ain't that hard. What you know about that? You learn it here real quick if you just listen to this rap. Limits are the first thing that you'll learn. They're easy as pie. When your graph goes to an x, the limit approaches this y. La Hospitals is something that you'll learn. In Calc VC, it makes taking limits super easy. Derivatives are the basis for nearly the whole class. If you don't learn them properly, Mrs. Swafford will kick your power and chain are two important rules. They are some basics. They're such a great tool. But quotient and product make me wanna die. The only way to solve them is to burst into tears and cry. It's so hard. Why did I wait out of algebra 2?
When the AP testers draft them away on testing day, to have more of them, I would happily pay. Y2 minus Y1, that nonsense a joke. The first derivative is all you need, it gives you the slope. Find maximums and minimums, it's simple, it'll blow your mind. Critical can be found when the first change is signed. Increasing or decreasing, just check that graph. Why even struggle, just sit back and laugh. Points of inflection, show the original is concave. Put all this together and see how the graph behaves. Happy Mitch has been spitting, laying down the beat. I'ma toss the mic to Matt Thurnis, best stay in your seat.
My name is Daniel Thurnis Mathis, and I'll teach you Daniel Thurnis math. Integrals are fun, I'll make sure you don't feel their wrath. When you stick a function in the integrand, it gives you net change. Stick in a derivative, and you can find the original's range.
Using Riemann sums, you can approximate area under a curve. But if you use a definite integral, your answer will be superb. Slap a pi in front and make the radius square. You'll find a volume of revolution, but beware.
The limit is infinity or within an asymptote lies. Improper integrals are nasty surprise. Taylor polynomials or at zero. Maclaurin. Teachers thinks it's great, but students boring.
If you happen to have to take integrals by hand, you need anti-differentiation techniques like U sub and parts, separation of variables, sometimes partial fractions. All this calculus gives me such satisfaction.
Theorems aren't important, but well, here you go. Intermediate, mean value, roles, that's all you need to know. Unlike a sequence, a series is a sum. If you want to check convergence, a few tests here are some.
P-series, nth term, ratio DCT, alternating, root, finally LCT. All this information, now you're ready to take the test. You better get a 5, special K.
Just came out of the new gym, took my BC test. Related rates were a challenge, but I definitely slaughtered the rest. It was a first round knockout. Go ahead, ring the bell. This has been the attorney Russian representing ATL.